This is our plugin AI thinking page loading. So this plugin, check this, just reload the page. Is loading is showing like the AI mode showing. It's like, so any page you want to visit, so this page is showing this is the AI is thinking. Any page, so this is the AI looking, the AI made premium looked. This is the completely WordPress plugin. This is the free plugin I built. So here you showing anytime any page visit, just user gets looks, this is the AI built pre-built the website. So this is the very looking amazing, so you can enjoy this. So just AI is thinking any page visit. So I hope it will make you more enjoyable for your website, so the traffic of your website you will enjoy also. So this is the any page visit, also showing the AI is thinking. From the premium mode to the AI thinking. Thank you. So I will publish this plugin also the WordPress repository, so you will search this plugin also. So there is also setting, just when you click the setting, this is the present mode, so you can change the color also, different color you can add. Also text color you can add several, white or yellow or any color you can, how to fix. So this is the mode of hair setting. So this is spinner also you can setting since the this setting and type of bubble. So this is also the animation style. So yeah, you can change here the AI thinking to loading. You can use the loading. So this is also option. So minimum display behavior is 1 second. So you can use you can increase this 2 seconds, like 3 seconds. You can also use the admin dashboard. So just save it. So now admin dashboard also show here. So when you come here, so this is updated, like, and present in 3 seconds is loading. So when you click any, so that's why the setting is not works, because the setting issue is the here we increase the 3 seconds, so make it 1 second. So here all is showing. So just updated this and click now Android. Is thinking. So bar show is admin dashboard, need to off, enable while loading. First visit, skip the return to user. So no need to skip, so we have updated this, so no need to skip. So a space will show here. Okay, first visit it will also now working fine. So you need to update this. So in this WordPress website you can use this. Thank you.